Hi guys! Welcome sa Step 9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on rational inequalities. No? So sa previous video sa mga previous videos, nabanggit ko sa inyo na not all the time you can equate the numerator, both the numerator and the denominator of a rational expression to zero. No? So this is one example. Yung numerator hindi natin siya pwedeng i-equate. Which means ang denominator na lang yung equate natin sa zero to get the critical values. No? Okay, so paulit-ulit na ito, no? So I hope nakabisado nyo na yung mga steps. So we equate x squared minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Of course, we can factor. And that is minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Yung factor ng, if you factor x squared minus 6x plus 5. Becomes x minus 1 times x minus 5, which means that x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin x equals 1 tsaka x equals 5. No? So yung dalawang yan yung ating critical values. Okay? Pag nakuha na yung critical value, sabi ko sa inyo sa previous video, ay we plot, no? We plot the critical values on the number line. So, mahirap mag-drawing. Pwede mag-drawing. This is a new software, no? This is a new app. So, hindi siya nasa straight pag hinode mo. Anyway, this is a negative 1. This is a 0. This is negative 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, and 7. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no? Now, mark natin itong x equals 1, no? X equals 1. Tsaka x equals 5. Okay. So we know that x equals 1 is x equals 5. Hindi siya pwedeng maging solution nito, no? Kasi magiging 0 yung ating denominator, which means na itong dalawang ito, itong x equals 1 tsaka x equals 5, hindi na sila kasama. Okay? So we test the intervals, no? Sa bawat intervals, kuha tayo ng number to see if 3 over x squared minus 6x plus 5 is positive. Kasi positive hinahanap natin, di ba? Greater than 0 here. So we have test x equals 0, no? Itong pinakamadali yata dito, x equals 0. So magiging 3 over x squared minus 6x plus 5. No, so this is equal to 0, 0, 5, 3/5, which means that this is positive. Positive tong interval na to. Here we can test sa gitna. We can test x equals 2. No? So that's 3 over 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 5. Which is equal to 3 over 4 minus 12 plus 5. This is negative 8 plus 5, which is negative 3, no? Which is equal to negative 3, which means negative 3 ko na lang to. O, tama ba? Negative 1. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 12 is negative 8. Plus 5 is negative 3. So negative 1. 3 over negative 3 is negative 1, which means that this is negative. Lastly, we test x equals 6, no? So magiging 3 over 6 squared minus 6 times 6 plus 5 x squared plus 6x plus 5, diba? So, magiging 0 ito, diba? So, 3/5 na lang siya. So, this is equal to 3/5, which means that this interval is positive. So, ano ang positive? Kasi hinahanap natin ito, diba? We want the value of 3 over x squared minus 6x plus 5 is positive. Meaning, galing dito pababa, no? Positive yan. Included yan, which is from negative infinity up to 1, di ba? Hindi kasama yung 1. And positive also here. Hindi kasama yung 5, no? So, magiging, ito naman ay 5. Hindi kasama yung 5 up to infinity. Up to positive infinity. Pagkasama, ano nga ulit? Pagkasama, may kulay siya dito, di ba? Tapos, pag may kasama, magiging ganyan yan. Magiging square bracket siya. Okay, pero hindi kasama, so, okay na yan. So, yung dalawang solutions na yan, ay lagyan lang natin siya ng, o dalawang intervals, hindi dalawang solution. Yung dalawang interval na yan, intervals, lalagyan natin ng union sign para magkasama na silang dalawa. So, this is actually the answer, the solution to this inequality. Meaning, positive yung inequality na to, positive dito sa intervals na ito. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo, no? Pasensya na kayo sa aso. I hope ay mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating channel. Gusto ko invite na mag-subscribe. And at the same time, visit our website. No? Nandun yung mga listahan natin ng mga tutorials. See you!